it's very lightweight and compact for the 28-70 2.8. And if you use this compact lens with our Sigma FP, you can have a very compact system, very lightweight and very compact. The total weight, if you use this lens with a Sigma FP, the total weight, including camera body, lens, and battery and SD card, is 892 grams. It's about the same weight, but just slightly heavier than Sony 24-70 2.8 GM on its own. What makes it possible to create such a compact body is a focal length at wide end. 24mm and 28mm is just 4mm difference numerically, but it makes a huge difference when it comes to the angle of view. The diagonal angle of view at 24mm is 85 degrees, but it's just 75 degrees at 28mm, sorry. So there's a significant difference, and this makes a huge difference to the size of the lens. So starting the focal length at 28mm made it possible to create such a compact body. As you can see with these sample images, there is a noticeable difference between 24mm and 28mm. So those who need such an extra width, I think the 24-70 2.8 DGDN art would be the best option. But those who prefer small and lightweight lens, we believe 28-70 2.8 DGDN contemporary would be a fantastic choice. The second objective is equal optical quality as 24-70 2.8 DGDN art. And we believe we achieved this goal. Here is a lens constructions of these two lenses. The new 28-70 2.8 DGDN contemporary on the top, and the current 24-70 2.8 DGDN art is at the bottom. The two lenses, as you can see, are quite similar. Actually, I can tell you that these two lenses share the very similar optical design. So that's one of the reasons why you can expect the similar high optical quality from both lenses. And for your information, these two lenses were designed by the same optical designer at our company. So this is another reason why you can expect a similar high optical quality from both lenses. Here is Mtf charts of these two lenses. The new 28-70 2.8 on the left, and the current 24-70 2.8 is on the right. The top two Mtf charts show the performances at the wide end of these two lenses, and the bottom two charts show the performances at tail ends. Regarding the optical Mtf charts, the vertical axis shows the optical performance, and the horizontal axis shows the image height. The far left side shows the center of the image, and the right side shows the corner of the image. The higher the curves, the better the optical quality. So first of all, as you can see, these two lenses perform very similarly, and you can expect a very high optical performance from these two lenses. Very sharp from center to corner, and from low spatial frequency to high spatial frequency. So this is evidence that you can expect a similar high optical performance from both lenses. In order to give you some insights regarding the optical performance of the new 28-70 2.8, I'd like to share with you the reviews that our current 24-70 2.8 has got. This lens has got many good reviews and comments so far. DP Review said, output appears nice and sharp, corner to corner, and aberrations, ghosting are very well controlled. Christopher Frost said, on the full frame camera, even a 42 megapixel one, it's incredibly sharp, especially for a fast standard zoom lens. Dustin Abbott said it is extremely sharp across the zoom range, has good bokeh, and backs up the optical performance with quick, accurate autofocus. LensTip.com said the Sigma A24-70 2.8 DGDN is a well put together lens, sharp practically across the whole focal length and aperture range. So we believe new 28-70 2.8 will get the similar good reviews and comments. The reason why the current 24-70 2.8 has got such a nice review is that the consistent high optical performance of the production model, we believe. The reviewers tested the actual production model and checked the optical performance. Much of our effort with the design of the current 24-70 2.8 was in the consistent high optical performance of the production model. In order to deliver the best possible quality products, best possible quality lenses to the customers, we paid careful attention so that each production model has a consistent high optical performances. We paid such a careful attention from the optical design stage. And the new 28-70 2.8 DGDN Contemporary was designed under the same design philosophy. So you can expect similarly the consistent high optical performance of each production model. Our ghosting specialists, we call them ghostbusters, did a great job again to minimize the ghosting. These are just part of the shots they took during the development. The small rectangular shows the one shot they took to check the ghosting, and in total, they took over 12,800 shots to check the ghosting. And if they find the heavy ghosting, they find the causes and eliminate them. Also, this lens uses Sigma nanoporous coating to minimize the ghosting and flare. So I believe that the new 28-70 2.8 has controlled well the ghosting and flare in the image. From now on, I'd like to share with you the sample images taken with this new 28-70 2.8 DGDN Contemporary. The first group of pictures were taken by Meg Luke, the photographer based in America. The very nice picture, very sharp, but very nice bokeh in the front and back. Again, very sharp, but very nice bokeh in the back. Also represent a very nice color. Again, nice warm color reproduction. A very nice picture, very sharp, but also nice contrast, very nice highlight and a nice shadow. Very lovely picture, nice tone, nice color, nice warm color. It's very nice picture. Again, nice color reproduction, nice tone, very sharp. Again, great picture, very sharp, but nice tonality and nice contrast from highlight to shadow, and nice bokeh. The last half group of pictures were taken by Robin Jaffrin, the photographer based in France. Different subject, different theme, but again, all great pictures. Very nice picture, very sharp image. Very sharp on the focus, but also nice bokeh in the front and the back. Great texture, very nice color, and very nice, very sharp, and also again, very nice color and nice bokeh in the back. Great tonality from highlight to shadow. Nice color, very sharp. Nice contrast. The great fidelity. Great details. And again, great details. And nice, very sharp, and also with nice bokeh. So with these sample pictures, you can expect such a wonderful pictures from this new 28-70 2.8. I'd like to thank Meg and Robin for sharing such a wonderful pictures with us. The third objective is a very high build quality. This lens consists of many plastic parts to make it lighter. However, we do not compromise the build quality. We always strive to make the best possible quality products so that we can truly be proud of and that we can truly recommend to the customers. So we never forget the build quality, and we believe we achieved a very high build quality in this lens. There are mainly two ways to achieve such a high build quality. The first of all, the plastic material that we use for many key parts in this lens is Sigma's proprietary TSC, or thermally stable composite. This TSC is harder than normal engineering plastic and has very similar thermal characteristics as aluminum. So this material helps to give the very solid feel with the lens body. The second is that our mechanical engineer prioritize the build quality over the size and weight. If they wish, they could make this lens even slimmer and even lighter, but they didn't do it because they wanted to achieve the very high build quality. So they achieved such a high build quality because they did not feel it's worth sacrificing the build quality to achieve such a compact and lightweight. We were also able to attain the very high quality external appearance, which is typical to existing Sigma product. So we believe that those who use this lens never say this lens has a cheap feel, but say this lens has a premium feel. The functionality of this lens is quite simple. This lens has a water and oil repellent coating on the front lens element, and it has a focus mode switch on the lens body, and it comes with a petal type lens hood. In order to provide the simple user interface and the simple functionality, the new 28-70 2.8 does not have some functionalities that 24-70 2.8 has. The first of all, the new 28-70 2.8 does not have the dust and splash proof structure, while our existing 24-70 2.8 has. However, the new 28-70 2.8 still have the sealing on the lens mount to prevent water comes into the lens body and the camera body. Also, we try to minimize the gap between the parts. Sometimes we put the special cloth to minimize the gap between the parts, again to prevent the water comes into the inside of the lens body. So in the real world, I would say you can use this lens under the water, under the rain, sorry, if it's small rain, small slight rain. Also, the AF lock button and the zoom lock switch are not available for new 28-70 2.8, while the current 24-70 2.8 has. So in summary, for those who needs these functionalities, we suggest using 24-70 2.8 DGDN ART. But those who prefer simple functionality and simple user interface, using the new 28-70 2.8 DGDN Contemporary would be a good idea. The last but not least, the price of this new 28-70 DGDN Contemporary is $899 without VAT, or €849 with VAT, or £759 with VAT. This lens will be available March 12th. So this is all from me. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. I hope this small, lightweight, but high quality new 28-70 2.8 DGDN Contemporary will provide you the many new opportunities for your photographic life. Thank you very much.
Just to do a quick recap, the stream has ended. From Sigma, the lens comes in at 72 millimeters wide by 101.5 millimeters long, weight of 470 grams. It does not have full weather sealing. It does have a lens gasket and autofocus, manual focus toggle. The optical construction is very, very similar as a 24-70 ART made by the same lens maker. It does have a few different elements, but otherwise optical performance is suggested to be about the same. It has there are some coatings on the front element to prevent water beading. Let's see what else was there. It was lacking the switches. Okay. It does not have weather sealing. It lacks the custom button, and there was one more item. Oh, it lacks the zoom lock that the 24-70 art has. And so those are the three main differences between the art and the contemporary lens. And that concludes this video. Hope to see you guys in the next one. All right. Take care.